Most service businesses are hemorrhaging between $500 and $1,000 per month on their software subscriptions, and the worst part is they don't even know it's happening. And in addition to that, actual team members are still manually copying data from one software to another. So I built a 5-minute assessment called the Tech Health Scorecard, and it is for you to find out exactly where you're hemorrhaging time and money in your business when it comes to your technical setup. And the best part is it's completely free. So howdy y'all, I am the business cowgirl, and you may have seen me on here once or twice. I'm a fractional CTO, and after nearly a decade of auditing businesses, I have found these same 4 core problems. So let me ask you, are your tools talking to each other, or are you still the middleman passing information back and forth? Is your data actually clean enough to trust, meaning that you're making the best possible decision for your business because you know beyond a shadow of a doubt that your information and your data is up to date and it's in real time accurate? Either that, or is your CRM full of duplicates and you're making business decisions off of outdated information? Another question is, how much time are you spending on manual tasks that could easily be automated? My clients consistently get 10 hours back in their week when we fix that exact problem. And the last question is your tech easy to use, or do you have 12 different platforms that nobody understands what they really do or how to really use them? So here's what happens when you get your scorecard. First, you're going to get a tech health score. It's anywhere between 0 and 100, and it's going to tell you how optimized your tech stack really is, at least at the moment. Second, you're gonna get a breakdown by pillar. There are 4 pillars, like I said. So you're gonna know exactly which area is your biggest problem. Is it your integrations? Is it your workflow efficiency? You're gonna know. And the third is the personalized recommendation based on your score. So if you score below 40, you are a tech disaster, and I highly recommend that you sign up for one of my free tech clarity calls to immediately figure out where the lowest hanging fruit is to get yourself out of the tech disaster stage. But if you score above 80, then you are a tech unicorn. And while there is still room for improvement, because there's always room for improvement, you're doing better than 95% of businesses. And finally, you're gonna get 5 days worth of emails that is gonna talk you through step by step of each of these exact pillars and actions you can take to make them better in your business. Because the first step of all of this is understanding why you're struggling with it, and then that helps you make insightful decisions so that you know how to positively influence your business. And this doesn't mean buying more expensive software. Sometimes this means getting rid of software. And this isn't just generic advice. This is based on like the last decade of me helping businesses build technical infrastructure in their business, from everything from marketing to sales to service to finance. All of these different departments have their own internal workflows, and every single one of those workflows is an opportunity for inefficiency. So here's what I want you to do right now. There's a link down below. Take this 5-minute assessment and figure out where your business is in terms of your tech health. No matter what you score, you can book a free clarity call with me so we can figure out where your immediate next step is. And I'm gonna show you exactly what's costing you the most time and money. I only take on 5 new clients every single month because time is valuable, right? This is exactly what this tech scorecard is going to share with you. So if you're actually serious about making your business easier to operate when it comes to tech, not only that, but simpler for you to understand how it operates, then you can't miss out on this free score. Can't wait to help you turn your tech stack from duct tape and dreams into an actual efficient business machine. So I'll see you on the other side.